Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natara and this is Life with Natara. So today's video is going to be a home vlog, you guys. I'm going to be doing some things around my house. If you're interested in cleaning motivation, cooking motivation, or if you're interested in what I'm doing on a day-to-day basis, stick around to the end, you guys. Make sure you hit that like button, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss none of my uploads. So today I'm going to be getting some things done around the house. I need to get this kitchen, well, this whole downstairs need to get done, and then I need to start some clothes. So if I do anything else outside of the house, I will be sure to take you guys with me. But I do have my baby with me, y'all. I'm not sure why he want me to hold him like this, but yeah, I'm holding him like a baby. So come on, let's go and get into this video. Okay, y'all, so the first thing I'm going to do is get this kitchen together. When you see this kitchen, you're going to say, I know this kitchen is not like this. It is. It's just like what you're about to see. But first off, I'm going to put the dishes up inside of the dishwasher as well on the dish rack, and then I will begin cleaning off the countertops. So that's where I'm going to start.
To whom much is given, much is required. You've given freely that holy water. Promise to honor all you are. Father, we thank you for all you've done. We're letting go. We're letting go. Every burden, we know you will sustain. So we will praise you 'cause you're worthy. Oh, let your fire come down. Oh, let your spirit reign. Do something different that we've never seen. Expectations of trying to box you in, 'cause God, you're so much bigger. We're humbled here again. Promise to honor all you are. Father, we thank you for all you've done. We're letting go. We're letting go. So we will praise you 'cause you're worthy. feet. We wanna see your hand. We wanna see your hand. Just move how you wanna move.
Go. Come on. This way.